Today we are going to see how to create a list. We are going to use the same list that we use in the latest video. We are going to print the list after that, and after that we are going to add a new item into this list, and we are going to see finally how uh, this list uh, well end. So let's run the code with press with F5, and we're going to see the outcome. Okay, here is one thing that it's happening. So we are going to stop the code. Those are things that you need to learn to solve by your own, and run it. See, you can see here the original list, and at the end of that the new item.